Pseudoholophrya terricola is a large, oval-shaped, holotrichous, hapterid, ciliate protist. Pseudoholophrya has a prominent apical, round-mouthed cytostome. The cytostome of Pseudoholophrya is supported in its circumference by nematodesmata. These are birefringent bundles of microtubules, which are set in the peripheral cytoplasm at right angles to the pellicle of the organism, forming a major reinforcement of the walls of the cytopharynx. They are also sometimes, in previous literature, referred to as an oral armature, or trichides, or the cytopharyngeal rods, or the cytopharyngeal basket. Pseudoholophrya has a small population of toxicysts, which are distributed in subpellicular locations throughout its body. A toxicyst is a slender, tubular organelle located subpellicularly in carnivorous hapterids, usually at or near the apical end of an organism. When discharged, the toxicyst can penetrate the pellicle of the organism being preyed upon, immobilizing it and initiating cytolysis. The contractile vacuole, or water-expelling vacuole, of Pseudoholophrya is located at its posterior end in the midline. Later in this presentation, a video of the function of the contractile vacuole of Pseudoholophrya will be shown. Note that Pseudoholophrya lumbers along, powered by numerous fine, short cilia. The perioral cilia are continuously active in the acquisition of ingestible particles. The cytoplasm of the organism has many vacuoles, as well as the pigmented remnants of an ingested diatom. Note that the coordinated motions of the perioral cilia set up bilateral vortices which run clockwise and counterclockwise and bring particles to the cytostomal entrance. Careful observation of this portion of the video reveals that visible particles are being taken into the organism's cytostome. Individual particles can be followed as they proceed down the length of the cytopharynx, which is approximately 1/3 of the length of the organism in the midline. In this video, Pseudoholophrya is ingesting lipoid droplets from the carcass of a crushed copepod nauplius. The path of the particles taken in follows the direction of the cytopharynx, as outlined in red on the adjacent diagram. The smaller nearby organism partaking of the feast is Laganophria. Note that Pseudoholophrya has become quite plump due to unfettered ingestion via a gaping cytostome. The dimensions and location of the cytopharynx are delineated well by the train of ingested particles. The position, length, and tubular structure of the cytopharynx are helpful distinguishing anatomical features. The contractile vacuole, or water-expelling vacuole of Pseudoholophrya, is located at its posterior end in the midline. It is a complex, partially lobated organelle. It fills slowly over several seconds, but contracts easily and empties completely in less than 2 seconds.